Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. Not going to edit this game. I'm going to try to play it the best I can and explain my thought process as well. If you want more specific tips with good pictures and everything, I would highly recommend checking out some of these videos I have listed below. They've got some good information in there for you. Let's go ahead and get started on the game here. Now, I like to typically start out by going after the columns first and then the draw pile. I like to save early cards in the draw pile as insurance. We don't really have any insurance there, but we could. This queen could be insurance. That could be interesting. Let's go back and just hold off in the draw pile for now. Let's play some of these cards here. We can play this 10. And we're going to play this ace, of course. We'll see what's under the king. Two of diamonds, maybe, maybe not. We'll see. We can play. There's two different jacks here, which makes it interesting. What we're going to do is play this one first and then use the undo button to look at the other variation as well. Okay, that's a king with a 4. Okay, interesting. This variation has the 3 of spades. And again, we had a queen for insurance if we want, or we can play this queen right here. There's two red 6s. I don't like playing this queen right here. I think we're almost better off saving this insurance card, saving this as insurance for later, and seeing how that plays out. But again, this one had the black king, so this is interesting. Let's just go through the rest of the draw pile and see what we have. If we have anything, we can play that. Can't play that. We can play this diamond. Now we have another ace. That's good because we can move the spade up at some point. Black jack. Let's see. Go through again here. Again, this will be our insurance card. And then we'll move the jacks as well later on. Okay, we can move the ace of spades. That's the important card. We can move the 2 of spades as well. That'll open this up. And, oh, we're almost there. We need to open up like one more column. What was that? Was that a 6? No, that wasn't. Oh, that was a 3. Let's look at this variation right here and see how this plays out. I'm going to play the 3 of spades. Oh, that's still a dead end. And then this was the king and the 4. Okay. Let's see how this goes. And then this was the... Oh, this was a 2 of diamonds. Let's see how this plays out. 2 of diamonds up top. Let's play this first and see what we can do. There's that. We'll play this 10. We can play this. I like to try to, again, play the cards in the draw pile, the early ones last, if possible, just so there's more chances to solve this. Again, we're going to hold off on those 6s. The queen was our insurance. We may just play it. Let's see. Nope. I think we will play that queen. Was the other? The queen was with a 6. Okay, we don't want to play that because there's 2 6s. We're going to play this queen right here. And now we can play both jacks because there is no other options. We're going to play both jacks right here. And that allows us a couple more moves. We can move the spade up here. Obviously, we can't go anywhere there. And then this was a red 6, so we're not going to play that. That was a red 4. We're going to hold off on that for now, just in case we get a red king and we can play this queen. We'll see how it goes. Let's see, nothing. There's the red queen. There's the black jack. Okay, going through again here. And our insurance card, of course, is the 6. We'll have 2 different options on the 5. I think we're going to move this 5 shortly. A black king. We wanted a red one. Well, let's see what the 6 gives us here. Okay, the 5 goes there. And then we're bottlenecked. We could play this 6 and this 5, and then We could play king, 10, 4. Let's see how this goes here. I'm trying to remember the two cards. That was the 2 of diamonds and the 10 of diamonds, right? Okay. Oh, no, the 10 of diamonds was under there. Okay, so let's go back here. We don't need to play this. Okay, we can play this sequence right here. I forgot about the 10 of diamonds. You always got to remember what's underneath these, because these kings are just, they're really tricky. If you can play these things right, you're going to improve your odds, of course. So going to play that king right there. Going to play the 2 of diamonds. Now this 10 of diamonds can go right here. And we're opening up cards from the column. That's really good for us. We can move this queen. And, yeah, of course there was a 6 underneath it, but there may be a different card underneath this column right here. It's a 4 of spades. That's great for us. We can move it here. And I believe that was the 4 of hearts. So we're going to hold off. We could move this king, but I don't see any queens yet, do I? Oh, we need to move that other ace of clubs out, too. Let's go back to the draw pile. Oh, the ace of clubs is going to be the card we're playing. That's awesome. And that'll allow us to move some other stuff around. We can move this 2 of clubs. Again, like I said, I'm going to say this probably 100 times. Like to work from the back of the draw pile. This is now our insurance card. And I think we're going to need a 3 of hearts. A 3 of hearts would be a very good card for us. That's the 3 of hearts right there. Let's see. Can we get to it? We can't get to it from here. If we play this, we can't get that. That'll bottleneck us. So we don't want to play that. We want to get to that 3 of hearts, though. So what we're going to do is play this 9 of spades. We're going to move this king here. And I think you can kind of see where I'm going with this. If not, you'll see it very shortly. This 3 of hearts is going to be the first card. We're going to move this card and this card. And keep our fingers crossed that we can do something with this column, these 2 columns right here. So, not going to play this 4 of clubs because that could bottleneck us. We can play the 8, that won't bottleneck us. And yeah, let's see. We could play the 7 too. Going to wait here and let's see. The 7 is the first card there, so we're going to play that first. That'll allow us to move the 6 of diamonds right here. That's a 9. We can move the 8. Not great, not horrible, but it might set us up for what's under these columns here. I don't know what's under these columns, but I'm going to find out just like you are. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. We have the 3 of... Yeah, we're going to be playing this 3 of hearts. Now we're going to play the 4 of hearts. 5 of hearts. 6 of hearts. Oh, that's really good. That is the 3 of diamonds. Ooh, boy. I think there's a king. There's a black king in here somewhere, so we can move this queen. We can move this 4 of diamonds up top, I believe. Well, let me double check here. Yeah, we can do that, because then this king go right here. And I didn't move the 4 of clubs, of course, because I wanted to be able to move some of these other cards up top to the foundation pile. So 5 of diamonds up top, 6 of diamonds up top. Want to be able to have room to move these cards up. You don't want a small card like this bottlenecking you. Of course, once we get to 3 of clubs, it won't matter. Going to play this king right here. And, of course, going to play this queen. And we can move the 7 of spades. That's not bad. Yeah, maybe we can move it. Let's see here. We're going to need to move that 6. We might have to pull one of these cards down here. Let's move the 10 there. Yeah, we're going to have to pull a card down here to see if we can't get through here. So 5 of spades goes up top, and we need to play the 6 of spades, which happens to be right here. What we are going to do is sacrifice one of these piles here. Let's see, 7, 8. I think we can go diamonds. Yeah, I think we can go diamonds. So we are going to move the hearts down, 6 of hearts down, 5 of hearts down, and the reason we're doing that is we want to move this 4 of clubs. We don't want to move it, but we're going to have to move it down. Now we have our 6 of spades that we can put up top. Okay. We'll just leave this 5 of clubs up here. Now what we need to do is be able to move the diamonds. There is no 7 of diamonds. Well, there is a 7. There's no other red 7, though. That might bottleneck us here. There's a black 7 of spades. That's good. I think we can still do this here. Yeah, because there's... What we want to do is open up this pile right here, and we can do that. I'll show you in just a second here if you can't see it already. We're going to take this 7 of diamonds and move it underneath here. Now that will allow us to move the 8 of spades up top. And more importantly, it allows us to open up this column right here. And we're going to hope that one of these 3 cards we can play and get this thing solved here. 7 of hearts is not that bad. We're going to use the same technique again to get the 7 of hearts out of here. We're going to take the 6 of clubs right here, play it under the red 7, move the red 7 of diamonds up, and we're going to pull the 7 of hearts over here. Great, right? Okay. Now we have pretty much solved this right here. And we can put this up top, that down below, and we pretty much wrapped it up. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I would like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.